Comrades, it has been said before that the People's National Party when united and together is invincible. But I want to share a little piece of history with you to show you how important it is to protect the integrity and the unity of this great party. We just finished celebrating Emancipation Day and independence. And when I got to thinking about it, and I look at the history, I said for the first 100 years after emancipation, 1838 to 1938, the conditions of life of the Jamaican people never changed much, if at all. In 1938, only 5% of the people had a chance to vote. Them never look like me and you. The hanging of Paul Bogle and his compatriots, the treatment of those in Morant Bay in 1865, who had only sought to get access to land, was as extreme and severe as the treatment of Sam Sharp before the end of slavery. Thousands were hanged, mercilessly murdered for just wanting access to the benefits of life. Trade unions couldn't organize freely in 1938. And for all the efforts of our people, wages in 1938 were the same that they were in 1838, right after slavery ended. So all the gains that have been made by the Jamaican people have been made in the 79 years since the formation of the People's National Party in 1938. Everything was not accomplished because of the People's National Party. The trade union movement and the workers of Jamaica did their bit in 1938. But it was the PNP that fought and struggled for the right to vote, that unlocked the power of the people to demand a better life and to choose their own representatives. It was the People's National Party that led the social gains by opening up the educational system. It was the People's National Party that set the laws giving protection for the rights of women to equal pay. It was the People's National Party, led by Michael Manley, that set up the National Housing Trust, that opened a new day of access to housing for the Jamaican people. So, this great party is our only real inheritance for people like me and you. It is this party that has given us voice in this country. So hear me now. Every man is free to have a view, but it is the responsibility of every comrade to protect this party so future generations can get benefit from it in the way that we have benefited from the struggles and efforts of previous generations.